Is it time to buy or sell SOFI stock? In this video, we will explore SOFI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025. And now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 30th of May, 2025, our system has ranked SOFI as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with a gain of 2.71%. This results in an average return of 0.9% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 13.11% over the coming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from negative 12.84% to positive 21.46%. In terms of a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 68.86%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 33.70% and 161.41% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price likely to fall between $18.26 and $35.71. Our latest daily update for SOFI includes the headline, SOFI stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday trading session. The SOFI stock price decreased by approximately 0.0732% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025. The stock dropped from $13.67 to $13.66. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.48%. Reaching a low of $13.49 and a high of $13.83. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 0.55% during this period. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive indicator as volume typically follows the movement of the stock. On that day, trading volume fell by 1 million shares, with a total of 51 million shares exchanged for approximately $701,093,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $18.42, while the lowest price was $6.01. Currently, the price is 25.84% or $4.76 below the 52-week high, and 51.66% or $14.60 below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SOFI Technology stock is gaining attention as the company reports a 59% surge in student loan refinance volume, driven by stricter federal policies that push borrowers towards private lenders. This uptick not only highlights increased demand for SOFI's services, but also positions the company advantageously in a competitive market that could see continued growth in this sector. Additionally, the company's high-yield savings accounts are attracting attention, with rates currently offering up to 3.80% annual percentage yield for eligible members. Such competitive rates are appealing during a period when many banks offer far lower returns. This creates an opportunity for SOFI to capitalize on the influx of deposits as customers seek better savings options, further stabilizing its financial foundation. In the short term, these developments could bolster investor confidence and drive the stock price higher, as increasing revenues from refinanced loans and savings accounts are likely to improve profitability. Long-term impact hinges on how effectively SOFI can maintain customer loyalty and capitalize on emerging market trends, particularly in fintech, as it competes with other players like Block and New Holdings. Overall, the combination of rising refinancing volumes and attractive banking options positions SoFi well to navigate the current financial landscape, indicating potential for stock performance improvement as the market reacts positively to these strategic developments. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SoFi a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SoFi a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SoFi an underweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SoFi a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SoFi an underperform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, regarding return on investment, analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $13.37 and $12.80. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 4.41%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 65 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. SoFi finds support from accumulated volume at $13.27, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 33.5 cents between its high and low, which equates to 2.48%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 3.39%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 6 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $14.03. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoFi encounters its first support level at $13.27. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Keogh Kelly executed an insider sale of 11,520 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Schopenhauer Eric made an insider sale of 55,730 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Schopenhauer Eric also conducted an insider purchase of 55,730 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Schopenhauer Eric completed an insider sale of 22,989 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Pinto Arun executed an insider sale of 45,388 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 50.979. Overall, insiders purchased 10,521,413 shares and sold 34,564,287 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.02, representing a decline of 4.69%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, resulting in a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is SOFI stock a good buy? SOFI presents several positive indicators. However, these do not suffice for us to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation for this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we anticipate that SOFI will open lower by 1,610 of a dollar, beginning trading at $13.66. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.